Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. It is little bit slower. Or no. Alright. So I am from Greater Noida. Uh, so what I think this question is there is a character all over the map is playing computer game. So this game has character fights different monsters. Okay. A fight between the character and the monsters goes as follows. Suppose the character initializes as CF, okay? So what is it? It is given that there is a character which is SC health, and then there is TC attack. No, no, it's Greater Noida, not Vijayawada. Uh, the monster initially has okay, so okay, I've given the monster also, and it has HM health and DM attack. Now a character attacks the monster, decreasing the monster health by DC. Yep. The character attacks the monster, decreasing the. Okay, so when character attack the monster, it decreases the monster health by DC, and when the monster attack the characters, decreasing the character health by DM. Okay, fine. The character attacks the monster, decreasing. Okay, the same line is repeated two times, and so on. Okay. The fight ends when someone health become non-positive, zero or less. If the monster's health become non-positive, the character wins, otherwise the monster wins. Okay, monocrap character currently has a health equals to HC and attack equals to DC. He wants to slay a monster with the health equals to HM and attack equals to DM. Before the fight, monocrap can spend up to key coins to upgrade his health, a character weapon, or armor. Each upgrade costs exactly one coin. Okay, so monocrap. Monocrap has key coins and exactly one coin, and each weapon upgrade increases the character attack by double. So, so buying is given that buying one increases by double. Okay. So when I buy the upgrade, weapon upgrade, uh, character attack, so character attack increases by double. And each armor upgrade increases the character health by A. And if I buy the health, upgrade the character, if I buy in one coin, either I can up. Okay, so it is given that in one coin I can upgrade the health by W. No, attack by W. and in one coin I upgrade the health by 8. Okay, so I have to take some test cases, and the first line will contain the character health and character attack, and the second line contains the monster health and monster attack. Okay, the third line contains the three integer k, w, and a. So basically, w is the amount of health, amount of attack that is increasing when I buy it, and a is the health that is incrementing. Fine. So what I have to do in this question is I have to print yes or no if that monster is if it is possible to slay the monster by optimally choosing the upgrades. Otherwise, print no. Okay. Uh, so okay. So I have to take the test cases I have already taken, and then what I want the health of character, comma, attack of character. And this is like health for attack. Now, what is the input size? It returns to about 50. So I have to take uh, long, long. Now this is for characters. Same for monster also. It is most health monster, attack monster, or I have to remove this now. And this is health monster, attack monster. Okay. Now also there are three inputs, which is first one is coin, that how many coins I have, and second one is the amount of attack that is upgraded when I buy it for one coin, and also the health. The third one is the health, which is 8. So I will take input long. First one is K, second one is W, third one is A, and C in K, W, A. Okay. So also it is given that the maximum number of coin that a monochrome crab car can spend, amount added to the character attack with each weapon upgrade, and the amount added to the character health with each armor upgrade, respectively. Okay. So it is given that if I use one coin or I have one coin, then I can only upgrade the attack or a health. Okay. So uh if I have two coins, then one coin I can use for upgrading my health, and one coin I can use for upgrading my attack. Or I can also use that two coins for upgrading my health or maybe the attack. So I have to check all the possibilities, right? So what I know is I have total k number of coins. Okay. So I can use the for loop here, for I know that maybe I have 0 coins or maybe I have total number of k coins. Fine. And now with that coin, I can buy W health, sorry, W attack and add it to the uh, original attack, or also I can buy the A number of health, okay, and I can add it into the character health. And after that, I will calculate that how many times I have to strike on monsters to win the game. Okay, so what I know is find the find the health after buying it for some amount of coins. Oh, what the hell? Coins. Okay. So initially, so if I have 2 coins, uh, wait. Uh, if I have 2 coins, then I have three possibilities. Either I can buy zero attack or two health, or either I can buy two attack or zero health, or either I can buy zero health or zero attack. Sorry, one health or one attack. So I have to check all the possibility. So for checking all the possibility, what I can do is so long long new health. So for new health, what I know is the original health of character is HC, health character, plus I can spend I number of coins and multiply it with what? I can multiply it with W, right? Will I multiply it with W? So what is W for? Okay, sorry. I will multiply it with A. So first I will multiply this and then. Now same I will do for attack also. So new attack is this. So this will be, so total I have K number of coins. And now I can spend I number of coins. So how many coins I have left? So K minus I coins are left. Okay, and now I can add it into the attack of character. Uh, and also I can multiply it with W because W will upgrade the attack. So I got new health and new attack. Now after that, I will calculate the count here, that how many times I have to strike two monster to win the game. So long, wait, long count two. Or initially it will be zero. Or I can calculate it like this. So I know that what I know. If my new health is something, right? And monster can attack with AM, so I can divide it by AM to know how many times monster have to strike to put my health less than equals to zero. Okay. And if I want to know how many times I have to strike the monster to put their health less than equals to zero, so what I will do is whatever the monster health is, SM, and I will divide it with new uh, attack because I will upgrade my attack. And after that, I will check if my count, because I am attacking and my count is stored in count 2. If my attack is lesser than count 1, it means that I will win. Count, see out, or else what happen is monster will win. Let's check. Mm, I got so many output. Or will I copy? So I have four test cases, no? So I will take four test cases. In first test case, I will get the health of character or a health of monster. After that, sorry, attack of character. After that, I will get the health of monster and attack of monster, which is 920. And then I will get K, W, and A. So is it K, W, or A now? Yeah, it's K, W, and A. And it is given in the question that W is the character attack. So yeah, and after that, I got so many outputs. So when I is equals to 0, means I will spend 0 coin on health, sorry, 0 coin on attack, or will it be attack or health? A will be health, na? So I will spend 0 coin on health. Uh, the original health of the character will be stored in a new one. And after that, I will calculate the new attack, which is the previous attack plus whatever the coin that I have left. So as I spend 0 coins here, I will get, if suppose the coins will be 2, then I will get 2 minus 0, which is 2. And I can multiply it with whatever the attack value. So I will get total this amount of attack, and I will add it into the original attack. Now, as this is my new health, I can divide with monster attack to get that how many times the monster have to strike to put my health less than equals to 0. Okay. And after that, there is health of monster, and I can divide it with my new attack to get that how many times it will divide, right? So either I can subtract it or divide it. Both will do same thing. Ne? It will give me direct answer. I will check if my count is less than count 2 is less than count 1. It means that monster have to strike more than myself. I got C out, yes, otherwise C out, no. So what's the problem? I get so many outputs. I got wrong answer also. Will I put it equals to also? Or will I have to put break here? Break here because if I win, then I have to stop the loop, no? Maybe. Yes, no, yes, And I got no also. So I have to remove this. What's wrong? Will I have to take seal value or a floor value? Is it? So suppose if I consider 25. So now 25. In the first example, Monocap can spend 1 coin to upgrade the weapon and damage will be equals to 5. Okay. So it has 25 and then damage equals to 5. It will be increased. And now 25 comma 9 will be the value. Now what is the monster's health and attack? So first one is the monster's health and second one is the monster attack. So it can strike with 20 power. Okay. 25 comma 9, then 25 comma 4, and now he can attack with 20. I got 4 here. In first monocopy, spend 1 points to upgrade weapon and damage will be equals to 5. So what is so this is health of character, this is health of monster. So he can attack with 9. In first process, I have I have 25. Let me check. अरे सर बढ़िया 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 भाई अरे भगवान 25 and 4. So this is the character health and second one is the character attack. Now 9 is the monster health and this is monster attack. Now suppose if I consider the attack, so monster will require only 2 times to strike me. So if I strike me with okay, so if I want to know okay, so if I divide it with 20, it show that I want only so monster want only one strike, but actually it wants two strikes. So basically, I have to take the seal value rather than floor. So that I have to take seal value here. So am plus one, sorry, am minus one, am minus one. सर अरे अरे भाई भाई मोबाइल आएगा तब आ पाऊंगा ना मोबाइल नहीं है मोबाइल नहीं है अभी तो भाई जॉब लगी इसके बाद देखा जाएगा अभी तो खेलेंगे बाद में खेलेंगे कभी So will it be minus one or plus one? सर प्लीज हमें इंटरनेट क्या बोल रहा है भाई अरे बहुत सा आया हुआ है स्ट्रीमिंग पे कह रहा है भाई कब खेलोगे let's see It's B minus 1. I'm doing right. And what's wrong? It For this case, I will get no. So what is this case? So the character health is 2, 9, and attack is 2. Monster health is 69 and attack is 2. अब क्या लेकर रहा क्या लेकर रहा भाई क्या चल रहा है वैसे काम धंधा कैसा चल रहा है काम धंधा 47 okay so I have 4 coins. I have 4 coins and when I buy the what buy the Hmm. tech initially I will use what's wrong in this I want yes but I will get no for some reason कट रही है आय हमारी भी कटी रही है अब कोई भी नहीं खेलता है क्या कोई भी नहीं खेलता अब यस नो I got no. So suppose when I is equals to 0, when I is equals to 0, it means that I can W will be added to attack and HC will be health. A will be added to health. Okay, so I got I is equals to 0 and now character health will be 9 initially. And now I can multiply it with whatever the coins that I have. So basically I don't have coin. So health will be 9. Now I will calculate the new attack. New attack will be which is initially 2 and then I can multiply with k minus I. So total I have 4 coins. So basically I have to multiply it with 4 into 4 into something. 4 into what? So W. So what is W here? W is basically 7. 7 or something else? 2. Initially it will be 2. So I got the 4 into 2, 8 plus 10, which is 10. So initially the character health will be character health, sorry. Initially the character health will be 9 and the character attack will be 10. And at that time the monster health will be 69 and monster attack will be 2. Oh, basic. I don't have to put no here. There is only yes. If I win, I will put yes. Because at that time, the player will player will lost. But at certain point, when I increase the health by some time, then maybe my player will win. So that's right. When there is no possibility, it means that when loop get over and till that point, if my character is not win, then I have to put no, I think so. Oh, what? My, I got so many outputs. What's 633C? 1633C. Something went wrong.